Hello, today we are going to talk about lending card business loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for lending card business loan. Having minimum turnover of 12 lakh. Co-applicant age should be between 18 year to 60 year. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 600. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount up to 1 lakh to 36 lakh. Tenure will be 12 month to 36 month. Rate of interest will be 21% to 40% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 1 day for sanction and 7 days for disbursement. Foreclosure charges will be 4% of the loan amount. Processing fees will be 2% of the loan amount. Part payment is not allowed. Business registration proof is mandatory. If current account, then no proof required. If saving account, proof mandatory. Co-applicant is mandatory if applicant age is less than 21 year or less than 60 year. Business vintage should be 7 month. Processing mode will be online. Ownership proof is not required. Both rented application accepted. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of lending card business loan: funding on low business vintage, funding to 1 CIBIL. Location will be Pen India. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are advocate, liquor business vintage, coal industry, restaurant, traveling, real estate. There is no specific product for professionals. Required documents: KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year bank statement of applicant. Last 2-year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders if applicant, if company, or list of partners if applicant is partnership firm LLP.